Hi everyone, welcome to the Nose Nose. It's Daniel.
And Dan.
And we're here to do some first impressions of some of the new fragrances from Christian Louboutin. We just got some of these from my friends at the buying office in Neiman Marcus in Dallas, and we're gonna check them out for you. I haven't smelled any of these yet, but I have heard that they're all pretty floral, feminine, so if you are a lady watching this, stay tuned because you might find your new favorite fragrance. Let's do the bikini one first. There are 3 in this collection. This is called Bikini Questa Sera.
Wow, that's yummy.
It smells
it's like tropical.
The beach.
Yeah. Yeah, I feel like you get like, I think I smell hibiscus. It kind of smells like Hawaii.
I smell a little coconut, I think.
Yeah. Yeah, it just reminds me of the air in Hawaii.
Okay, what's next? This one is Tornado Blonde, or as I like to say, Tornado Blonde. It's more refined than the first one. It's nice.
Yeah, it's like floral, a little fruity and sweet, more classic.
I feel like there's like white florals in this, maybe?
Okay.
Or maybe tuberose?
Yeah, it makes me think of being in like a garden in the fall where there's like flowers, like dark red flowers and red apples and dark green leaves.
It's nice. Definitely a little more classic than the first one. Like a traditional floral perfume, but
Yeah.
really pretty. I'm curious how these smell on the skin because we're just doing paper to try all 3, but they always gain a new personality on the skin. That's nice. Alright, let's do the last one, which I think is called Trouble in Heaven?
Trouble in Heaven.
Amber.
Oh yeah. Yeah, well I smell the amber. And it's like, because I have a little amber from Armani, and I smell that amber, but the Armani one is like way stronger and almost harsh, and this one is a lot sweeter, gentler.
Reminds me a little bit of like Coromandel by Chanel, but it's softer, and there's other stuff in there that I don't know if there's any patchouli in this one. It seems like a more smooth amber. It's almost like gourmand. I feel like there's like white chocolate, or it's creamy amber. It's nice. This one would be more if like you're a guy that likes to wear perfume sometime. This is one that you could probably pull off without being overly floral. Maybe. Depends how it goes on your skin. That's nice. Like the first one, the bikini one, you could wear probably to the beach, warm weather. This seems more like a nice cold weather one. And then the middle one was like anytime. Classic, pretty fragrance. What's your favorite? Why are you laughing?
I'm not. I'm laughing at myself because I got all scared. I think I like the Bikini Questa Sera.
That's my favorite too.
Yeah, I like how tropical it is.
This one.
It reminds me of Hawaii, where I wish I could be right now. It's like 1 degree outside here in Chicago.
Yeah, we're filming this on New Year's Eve day, and the low tonight is -8.
Yeah.
So this is nice. This is
Bikini weather!
the dream. That's our first impressions of Louboutin Parfums. And cool stuff. If you guys ever need anything, feel free to write to me. My email address is below. I work at Neiman Marcus in Chicago, and I work in the fragrance and beauty department, so I'm surrounded by all these lovely fragrances all day, and I love to help people find fragrances that they fall in love with and that fit their personalities. And if you're ever in Chicago, you can visit me at the store on Michigan Avenue. And afterwards, you can take a fitness class with Dan. He teaches bar, and you're starting to teach surfboard class. You can wear this to class.
Yeah, surf. A little combination of bar and surf. Check out my social media or come see a show. I'm an actor. If you want to see some theater in Chicago, maybe I'll be in something when you're in town.
We'll put your Instagram and any other handles in the description below so you can find him.
The same handle for Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat.
Woohoo! Thanks guys for watching. We'll see you next time. I want my coffee now!